Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a lot to get to today. We're going to have a great shave. Today is the 26th. Everybody that's been watching my channel should know what today is. Today is National Mesothelioma Awareness Day. They are doing a show at 7:30 Eastern Pacific Time on the Razor Company channel on Instagram. And they are going to be talking about Kim Gray, mesothelioma. We're going to be honoring her. And yeah, if you want to tune in or see what's going on, show up over at the Razor Company. I'll put their Instagram link in the description. And I'm sure I've rolled up some things about, you know, picture of Kim, mesothelioma, and the information about the live. So we're going to be using Uncle Jumbo. And we're keeping it blue, man, for mesothelioma awareness. But Uncle Jumbo, this is supposed to be a dupe of Layton. And I'm going to put up the base notes, or the base ingredients, and then the scent notes while I'm talking about it. I wasn't a big fan of Layton when I got it. But this smells, to my nose, warmer than the decant I got of Layton. Like a cold weather fragrance. It's still kind of bright and stuff, but like you're definitely getting like the tonka and the cardamom, vanilla. Definitely playing a big part. Man, this Patriot base, look at that. I added an ungodly amount of water, and I was a little worried. Just a little worried. You know what I mean? Dude, is going to be super thin. Second use on those spoilers, or on that spoiler blade, we are using a Lady Gillette. It's pretty much a super speed with an aluminum handle that's just different. I have a blue one, so we're like, let's use the blue one. Is that where I have that cut? Yeah, I could feel it. Vintage razors, man. Different feel. Different head geometry, different angles. So we may do 3 passes just to make sure I get a really good close shave. Saying my technique may be lacking with this razor. But yeah, I like this scent. It's been a little while since I've tried Layton. And the other thing is, when smelling Layton, I'm like, doesn't smell like $300. So that could be it. But it is a nice scent. Like off the top, there's something, I mean, we know what sweetness is. I think there's bergamot for some brightness, but it's a little warmer than I remember Layton being. Because if I remember, Layton's like any time of year. And this is more fall leaning, in my opinion. Ooh. That's a weird way to have left lather on there. Super long handle. For the legs, ladies, for the legs. All right, lovely scent. AP Shaveco with the cashmere knot. Worked awesomely in the HC&C. Blue stainless lather ball. Wow. That's a high, I mean, that's a blue delicious. Should be straight razor shaving. Ooh, man, look at that. That is a sexy lather. I feel good about it. Isn't that funny? I thought I'd added too much water, and it's like perfect. feels really good. Those spoilers are nice. Got like a fruit fly floating around in here. Could be those grape tomatoes. I have left over. They're kind of getting a little soft, but we're trying to hone so they're staying for a little while. My son loves. He loves grape tomatoes. So he will eat them plain. I think I did. Oh crap. And when I went to move and do that, I kind of slid that way. So look, I did accidentally nick up there, and this was me pulling away. Look at that, it's aligned. I slid down when I went to pull away. That is stupid. Yeah, when I went to pull away, I kind of slid down. That's like awful. It's a beautiful shave though. The long handle makes it a little difficult to get around my glasses. There we go. Sorry, we had to look in the camera at one point to see, because the mirror just wasn't putting it close enough. I cannot believe I nicked right there or cut it like that. All right, we're gonna call it quits. That's the shave. We're close enough. Y'all know the drill. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. I could have gotten a little closer, like right here, but everything else feels super good. We used a lot of alum to try to close that up, make it stop bleeding. Canoe, look at the bottle, look at the size of that aftershave, man. That's 8 ounces. That's 8 ounces of glorious Canoe Aftershave. I mean, I think this is like 35 bucks and you get 8 ounces. Doesn't smell anything like the Uncle Jumbo. Oh, the other thing. Cannot remember the winner's name. I am putting up the winner now of the Thank You Kim. Mike's Natural Soaps. Is it Hungarian Lavender? Yeah, the winner, I will have put it up. Please hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Look for me, okay? It's the one with the hat, looks like Breaking Bad, sunglasses, that avatar. Do not send to my dad because he'll just think you're some scammer or something probably. But yeah. And if you don't have those, let me know in the comments, and I will tell you another way to get a hold of me. I think that's pretty much it, guys. You know, check out the razor company later today. Lady Gillette. It's not in perfect condition, but it shaves great. Uncle Jumbo. Nice scent. I didn't think I would like it as much because I'm not a fan of Lather. The AP Shaveco. And, of course, the HC&C blue stainless steel bowl. All right, guys, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment below. If you haven't subscribed, believe it or not, majority of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers. So please consider subscribing and hit that noti bell for me. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow for another shave.